In this video, friends, I will show with you step by step how to add extra baggage in China Eastern. So guys, you have two options here. You have select seat from here, click on ticket number or flight ticket and write your first name or last name and click this one, reserve seats from here, and you can add extra baggage through this option. Or you can go to Google and search for add extra baggage in Air China's Eastern, like this keyword, and then click the first result as you can see here, and then from here write your flight ticket number, for example this number, and write your order and write your first name. This is my first name, for example, and write a last name here and click package in this option as you can see here. Write flight ticket number, order number and first name and click package. This is how you can do it, and then you can add extra baggage for adult or child and purchase. The purchase, guys, it's available for 6 hours before flight depart. Make sure this point. So guys, I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and share this video. Just follow the steps and click back.